In this video, I want to show you how to fix your Logitech M720 in case you're having issues with the clicking or with the scrolling. Maybe it's not actually registering once you're trying to click, or maybe it's sticking and yeah, it's not very pleasant. For this, we need to open the mouse. Don't worry, it's not that difficult. So first step, make sure it's turned off, remove the battery. And right over here, you're going to see two Phillips head screws. You'll need one of these small screwdriver. I have put a link in the description if you don't already own one. So let's start by removing these two ones first. Don't lose the screws. Now Logitech have also hidden two screws right under this pad. And yeah, it's stuck to the mouse, but to remove it, you can take a small flathead screwdriver like this one, or maybe if you have nails, you can do it as well, maybe with a knife. And what you need to do is to gently remove this pad. Like that, and once you start it, you can okay, perfect. You will be able to reuse it at the end, so don't throw it in the garbage yet. And as you see, there's two Phillips head screws hidden there. Now we're not done yet. They have also hidden a screw under this sticker where the battery is. So again, take a small flathead screwdriver or something, and we simply have, and here we go, it's hidden right over there. Once you've done this, separate the bottom with the top, and you're gonna notice there's a small ribbon cable. Let's make sure we're not breaking anything. You're gonna turn it around. You simply have, you see there's a small beige part, this one. You have to lift it so that the ribbon can disconnect. You see? Just like that. Now you can set this part aside. Take some WD-40. I know that they make a special WD-40 for electronics. I have never used it. I always use this one and it worked. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description. And all you have to do, depending what is your issue, let's say your issue was the right click, you're gonna put around 1 to 2 drops right where the white part is. So let me try to do it over here. Okay, perfect. That's even more than enough. Once the drop has been put, take anything and start pressing the clicker so it penetrates inside. Press at least during 30 seconds to 1 minute. Clicking so that the WD-40 goes right inside the switch. After that, you can take a wipe, a tissue, anything, and simply dab it a few times to remove the excess WD-40. Do the same thing for the other buttons if these were the issue. So obviously the left side over here. But if your problem was the scroll wheel, depending what, for example, there is some switches, one over here and another one over there. If you like to place your scroll, if you like to tilt your scroll wheel left and right, well, you'll have to put WD-40 over there. Or if you had just issue with your scrolling, or if it's simply the scroll wheel itself, you can put some WD-40 right over here, and same thing on the other side, and simply scroll up and down. If you cannot click properly with your scroll wheel, in that case, you need to put WD-40 right over here. This is where the switch is located. You can also do the same thing if you had issues with the customizable buttons on the side. For this to work, you'll have to remove these 3 Phillips head screws, remove completely this unit, and then you'll be able to apply the WD-40 exactly on the switches. Once you're done, you simply have to reconnect the ribbon, glide the ribbon inside, and then close the latch by pressing on it. Whoops, I didn't do it properly. It's easier if you do this while on a table. Okay, it's inserted. I know it's hard to see, but yeah, I closed the latch and everything is holding. Now you simply have to do the same steps but in reverse. Put back the sticker the best you can. Take the other sticker, and there should have enough glue on it to be able to place it again in the same position. Okay, perfect. And once you do this, make sure you press very hard and it should stick. Great. Put back your battery. And this is about it. I hope my video was helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.